Welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This week we're going to talk about expungements. An expungement is where you're having a criminal conviction or a criminal arrest erased. So for many people, they don't want the public, their employers in their past to know about all the dopey things they did when they were in college, their weekend in Seaside Heights, or just mistakes that they made. Let's see, under the law in New Jersey, the criminal arrests are public records, they're police records. So there's a mechanism in New Jersey to have criminal charges erased, and that's called an expungement. So let's say someone had a pot charge, they have to wait 5 years from either the conviction. If it was a conditional discharge, they only have to wait 6 months from the dismissal. And this expungement consists of a petition prepared by the attorney, a proposed order for hearing, and then the expungement order. So someone hires an attorney, and the information that's required is date of arrest, what the person was charged with, what eventually happened, whether they pled guilty, not guilty, what the fines were. It's a good idea if someone wants an expungement to go back to the court and get, if it's municipal court, get what's called a certified disposition. If it's in superior court, try to get a copy of your judgment of conviction, because that expedites things and that makes the prosecutor's job easier. Why do you want to make the prosecutor's job easier? So you can get what you want, the expungement, so that they don't object to what you had. So the expungement position also, though, has to have any other charges that you've ever had in your life, even if they were dismissed. So for some people, it's a good idea also to spend the extra $20 to have what's called a criminal history done. So it's put together by the attorney, it's filed in the superior court. The court will then schedule a hearing date. The attorney then has to serve this petition for expungement upon the Attorney General, the Superintendent for the State Police, the County Prosecutor, the local police chief, and the court administrator where it was heard, and in some counties also the probation department and the county sheriff. Let's see, that's done by certified mail. The certified mail cards have to be filed by the court. That's served and provided to the county prosecutor, the court, and if there's no objections by anyone, the court typically will sign an order saying, okay, the expungement is granted. Then the attorney has to take this expungement order, serve it again upon the superintendent of state police, the attorney general, the county prosecutor, directing that they remove the prior criminal arrest and the charges from someone's record. So that's important, because nowadays most employers, most companies do background checks on people, and if someone's ever wants to even do something as simple as coach kids, they have to fill out a form and have a background check done, and no one wants the other parents to find out that they had something done that they did. Cost-wise, typically most good attorneys charge between $1,500 and $2,500. Sounds like a lot of money, but it's not a lot when you look at what the effect of this criminal charge could do to you in your career. For other information, we have some articles on website njlaws.com and website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com, or call the law office of Kenneth Vercammen at 732-572-0500. Thank you and good luck.